Hello everyone, this is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing my European opening market comment for Tuesday, September 6th. Well, the big event of the day is already over, the Reserve Bank of Australia rate decision. The Aussie rallied after the RBA held rate steady, as was universally expected. Elsewhere, the pound continued to rally as UK economic indicators continued to surprise on the upside. Yesterday's service sector PMI was much better than expected and pushed the composite PMI well into expansionary territory. It's now back to where it was in March, as if the Brexit vote never took place. On the other hand, the yen was lower as Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda reiterated his willingness to use more extraordinary measures to boost inflation. The fact that Prime Minister Abe ruled out having the BOJ buy foreign bonds, one idea that's been brought up, didn't seem to help the currency. The European day starts today with German factory orders. A small rise is expected after the similar decline in the previous month. Moreover, the German IFO manufacturing survey for July showed a small improvement in orders during the month. A good factory orders numbers could boost the euro today. On the other hand, the IFO survey showed a collapse in orders in August. So even a better than expected July factory orders might not help the euro much if investors think that it's old data. Having said that, you can see from the graph that the relationship between factory orders and the IFO manufacturing orders index is pretty poor. So a poor IFO doesn't really rule out a good factory orders number today. The Swiss CPI, Consumer Price Index, is one of the few Swiss indicators that actually moves the Swiss franc. It's expected to show that the country's deflation moderated a bit in August. That suggests that the Swiss National Bank, the SNB, won't have to increase its monetary stimulus when it meets next week. That should be positive for the Swiss franc today. Now, the weekly commitment of traders report showed a large increase in long Swiss franc positions in the latest week to a relatively high level for recent activity. But it's still low. The long positions are still pretty low on an absolute level. There's still plenty of room for investors to add to their long Swiss franc positions. One thing holding them back may be fear that if the ECB takes further steps this week, the SNB might have to match that. But personally, I don't think the ECB is going to take further steps, so I don't think it's a real question. We may get some clarification on this point later today when SNB President Jordan speaks. For an update on the U.S. indicators coming out today, please watch my North American opening comment. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.